Some fresh leaks are giving us a better idea of what DJI's next big drone, the Mavic 4 Pro, could look like. Well-known drone insiders Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov have shared new visuals that reveal some noticeable changes compared to the previous model. The photos show the drone alongside the DJI Air 3S in what looks like a high-end camera testing setup. It includes various devices, like a smartphone, and what looks like a professional mirrorless camera, all placed with precision gear to fine-tune image quality. Plus, an animation shared by Yue with Jasper Ellens adds even more clues about what we can expect. One major change that stands out is a large heat sink on the back of the drone. This suggests DJI is taking heat management seriously, likely to support a more powerful camera system. Rumor has it the drone could handle high-resolution 100-megapixel photos and advanced video formats, with multiple zoom options for added flexibility. Another thing spotted in the leaked images is the camera's ability to tilt both downwards and upwards. The drone's design also looks a bit more refined, with slimmer arms, while keeping the well-known foldable structure DJI fans are familiar with. Safety features seem to be a priority too. We can see 2 fisheye obstacle avoidance sensors and a bright LED light on top, probably to help with visibility and compliance with regulations. One surprising thing missing from the test model is the front LiDAR system seen on the Air 3S. If this feature is gone in the final version, DJI might be focusing on keeping the drone lighter and better suited for specific tasks, rather than packing in every feature available. This could be an advantage in regions where drone weight limits affect how they can be used. These leaks seem to line up with earlier hints pointing to a possible launch in April 2025. Considering the level of testing happening, it looks like DJI is getting everything fine-tuned before the big release. Jasper also hinted that the long-awaited RC track might be unveiled alongside the Mavic 4 Pro, which is great news for those who've been eagerly waiting for it. Stay tuned for more updates, and catch you in the next one.